Do you want to be your own boss? Want to know how to say goodbye to the grind? Watch this video to find out more. Hey everyone, welcome to HindeSights. Now before we get started, make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away, and this way you'll be updated with the latest information so you won't miss a beat. So you want to be your own boss and say goodbye to the grind. That is an awesome decision to make, and a lot of people are making it. Some of us are not making it by choice. However, if you are lucky enough to be able to make the decision for yourself to go into business for yourself, there's a few things you probably should know before you just go ahead and jump into it. One thing to consider is it's always beneficial to work for yourself rather than for someone else. It's also more fulfilling. A lot of us are just tired of the office politics, all the rules and regulations we don't have much control of. Sometimes it's just the day-to-day drudgery that makes everything difficult to manage. It really becomes challenging mentally. Some of us just have made the decision that we want to spread our wings and fly, and sometimes that opportunity isn't necessarily at the same job we've been at. We want to find a way to do something on our own. Another thing to consider if you're going to move forward with starting your own business and moving out on your own is that you don't want to burn all your bridges. It's not really very realistic to just quit your job one day and then have a successful business that's going to pay your mortgage overnight. You really need to plan up and make decisions that are going to put you in the best place. So if it means putting some money aside to not have an income for a while, or if you start your business on the side part-time and wait until you have enough manageable income to be able to leave your full-time job, or maybe it's going to a part-time position until you get into a position where you can actually leave your old job. One of the most important things to realize is that it's going to take a lot of time. Again, it doesn't happen overnight. Patience is going to be your friend here. It takes a lot of time to get the infrastructure in place to start a new business. There's lots of things you have to jump through hurdle-wise. And again, unless you have the luxury of just going off on your own and not worrying about money, you really do need to pace yourself out. And you don't want to just jump in. Even if you've got a good thing going, you don't want to jump in without a little bit of a safety net. So if you've got savings, or if you're able to manage working and building a new business, definitely do. And if you're looking at going out on your own, it's very important that you seek the advice of people that you trust. If you have other people in your life that have their own businesses, they're great resources as far as avoiding some of the pitfalls that you may encounter, because there are a lot of things that you don't know if you don't know. The advice you can get from others who have been through it themselves is definitely the most important thing. So if you're thinking about starting off on your own in a new business, one thing you might want to consider is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is actually pretty easy to do, and you still can have a full-time job while you do it. It's a pretty easy way to earn passive income, all online. All you really need is an internet connection, and you probably can get started just with that. It might take a little bit of startup money to pay for advertisements, but there's a lot of affiliate networks you could sign up for. If you have any ideas as far as businesses that people can start up, I'd like to hear about them in the comments. Also, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, click on the description below and you'll be linked to our site. Was any of this information helpful? If so, let me know in the comments below. And also make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way, you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Also, if you want to learn how to make money online legitimately, the right way and properly, visit HindeSights.com and learn step-by-step how to do that. Or click the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.